Good morning, dear Forex traders. This is the latest business news on the InstaTV channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. At the end of the last week, the authorities of several Asian countries were speaking about the further monetary policy course and economic growth outlook. Thus, the Reserve Bank of Australia and the Bank of Japan drew most part of attention. The Japanese central bank did not change the policy course line. It left unaltered the economic forecasts as well. The regulator considers that the economy of the country is recovering at a moderate pace, being supported by a steady domestic demand. As for Australia, the board of the Reserve Bank is more optimistic there. A week earlier, the regulator left its key interest rate at the mark of 3.5%, explaining its decision by an agreeable rate of the Australian inflation. In fact, there is enough grounds for the positive sentiment because the economy is advancing vitally. Thus, despite all expectations, in the first quarter, the GDP upswung by a soaring 4.3%. Still, the economists of the Reserve Bank of Australia were cautious while raising the further economic outlook from 3 to 3.5%. On the contrary, the authorities of Hong Kong decreased the economic growth predictions to 1 to 2%, as the region is dependent on the exports and the world demand is in deficit. These figures are the lowest recorded in the Chinese administrative area since the last economic crisis. This is all about the latest economic events. Watch us on InstaTV. Goodbye.